Cryptoforexmarket. Welcome everyone to this market. This market's been very active. Looking straight at XRP USD today, we could see some series of bullish moves on this weekly candle right here. And I also looked at the other altcoins that I discussed as well, and yeah, we've seen overall bullish moves for these altcoins, looking really good. However, Bitcoin, we are seeing some bearish moves, which I'll come to the chart in a second. But yeah, looking at XRP USD the past week, it's been very bullish. As we could see, we've had some down movements, bearish movements during this week. However, we've come back up. As you could see, the daily candle, 1, 2, 3, 4 daily candles this week has been bullish. So we're looking to break the $2 mark. I was looking for another touch down at the $1 mark around this area here. However, we never got that. That would have been a nice entry. However, we're getting a move above that level to come to the upside. So it looks like that we will be taking off soon at some point now. This could happen during today, it could happen during this week. So yeah, it's looking very good. So a good thing as well to see whether this thing is going to continue to go up is I've looked at a coin called XRP BTC. So if we look at XRP BTC, literally XRP against the Bitcoin. So XRP looking very strong, Bitcoin is looking weak. So if we go to Bitcoin, I'm going to show you something. So you could see overall XRP, which is looking very strong against the Bitcoin. So when we correlate it against a Bitcoin, you could see there's a lot of strength in XRP at the moment. Here's Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin hasn't broken the 65,000 mark. Yeah, hasn't broken that. And we're looking very bearish for Bitcoin at the moment. We're looking for a crash to happen for Bitcoin. As I said in the past, on the weekly, if I go down to the weekly, you could see these levels to be reached at some point. So the 14,000 level to literally touch my trend line here, as it's been touching previously in the past. See? So at least I'm looking for this level to be touched before going back up. So if I go back to XRP BTC, which is here, you could see XRP BTC is bullish because, as you see, BTC, which is Bitcoin, is bearish. So you know that XRP has got a lot of, bullish movements within it. So if we go back to, as you could see, I was waiting for XRBTC to break 26 mark, which it did. So around here, it broke this mark. So this previous week was of XRBTC was bearish, and look, it's broken it. It's gone straight up. So we're heading to new highs for XRP BTC. So if I go back to XRP USD, overall XRP is bullish, and of course the USD dollar, which is the dollar, is bearish anyway. So yeah, so it's looking like that XRP at some point should be very soon. If you guys just hold on and be patient, because patience actually does pay. So sometimes you look at this market and think, what's going on? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go up? But if you just correlate it over other coins as well, at some point we're going to get that break. Just like this section here, when we bought around this level here, we got that break eventually. Look, a big candle. So you just want to hold it and then wait for that break to. We could most likely get a massive candle to come around this area here and break that area. So yeah, it's just a matter of time. So I know there's a lot of news going around XRP with the SEC news and whatever, but all that is literally gonna be a thing of the past. At some point, this will just break away. So it's just a matter of time. So you guys, all you guys that held from before, yeah, well done. You guys that might have jumped out, might have got scared. Well, the best thing is that if you did buy it around this level here, I would still hold it even if it came back down to here, because eventually that's going to go back up. And what happened, if you're waiting for this level to hit here, it might not hit. So the next level, like if you haven't got in, is to get in around this area. So once we get this break and test around the $2 mark, that'll be another entry for us. So as we could see in the past, it wanted to break this area and it came back down. But hopefully this time, it's looking like it wants to break this area here, the $2 mark. So once we get this break above this area here, this previous high, and then the test here, definitely we're heading to $20. We're surely heading to $20 and more. So that will probably take a bit of time, but eventually, hopefully, we'll get that break. But yeah, going to the other coins, we are looking really good. I'll go to Adana. No, it's AUD JPY. We don't want that one. Here we are. Okay, Adana. Here we go. Adana. Look at this. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that bullish move. If it's literally going to the sky. How amazing is that? Look, previously when I talked past few weeks, it was about 3 weeks ago, I said let's buy in around this level. 61 area is a level, key level to buy. If you guys jumped in around this level, you must be in some serious profit. So look at this, absolutely bullish. AUD USD. See, the USD currency is very weak at the moment. So of course this gives move to the altcoins to literally be bullish, and this is what we're getting right now. So we see in the past where it tries to fake people out. You see this candle? Try to stop people out. But if you held and you bought around this level, you should be in some serious profit at the moment. See? So it's all about, sometimes the market, it consolidates, it doesn't move, it stays in one position, you think what's going to happen. But then eventually you'll get the break, like it's broken here. This is broken to the upside. See? So this was the key area right here that everybody should have entered here, that area here. But now it's too late for you guys to enter now, because look, we've had that break already. So if we get another move back down here, then this will be the next entry. Yeah. So we've had a big impulse move to the upside here. So if I take it off this candle and put in this candle here, which is called a there we go. Yeah, a Heineken candle. Actually, I want to say it properly. We're going to see a big move that's come up here. So most likely we could get a move down to the 0-0 mark here before moving back up again. So yeah, this could be another entry around this level right here. So yeah, this coin's doing absolutely amazing. So if I just take it off of that, and then you could see what's going on here. So you'd have been in a lot of percentage growth here, huge percentage growth from here. So it's just holding it and then waiting for that move to happen, and that move gradually happened, and we saw that strong move up. So if I go to Dogecoin, we're going to see Dogecoin as well. Look at that. Dogecoin done the same thing. As I said before, past few weeks, this is the area to buy in at. Look at that. And look what happened. Yeah. We had a big impulse move to the upside. See? So that's the thing. When you guys buy in, you just got to hold it. That's what you got to do. You can't just come in and come out of the trade. You just got to hold it. Whether you're trading it or whatever you're doing, if you're holding it in a wallet, you just got to hold that thing and just wait. Even if you get little moves down, overall, these coins were going up anyway, because the USD currency was weak. So it gives space for the altcoins to literally jump to the moon. As you can see, look at that big move here. Amazing. So you would have had some amazing growth, absolutely amazing growth, if you guys held on. And look, Dogecoin, I didn't really expect Dogecoin to actually go to this high level, but it did. It did. So if you put something in there, you'd be in profit right now. Like those of you that has actually put something in, you know what I mean? Well done to you. So please comment and please follow my YouTube, because you guys, you know that I'm giving you value, absolute value for your money. Well, not for your money. This is a free channel. So literally, you're getting free crypto news from me, so you could gain something for yourself and your family. So we're going to go on to the next coin, which is ALG. So ALG, we've had some consolidating moves along ALG. It still hasn't broken this area here where I talked about last, but I'm waiting for this break to happen, but it hasn't happened yet. So safely, I would say wait till this is actually broken, this level here, and then buying at this level here. Yeah, so it hasn't broken, as you could see. We're still consolidating. We're still holding this level 1.586. So yeah, you guys could actually wait, because we could get another dip. So wait until we get a clear break around this area here, and take a snapshot of that. This is the area where you're waiting for it to break, and then you could go in for the buy to get to the next high level there. So previously we could see that this coin actually did reach this level here, $3 mark, and now it wants to try and reach it again and probably go even higher, but it's having a bit of a hard time. But hopefully we should get this break here soon. So you guys just got to hold on, and you will see that you're going to get a lot of profit if you are patient. So I'm going to go into USD, and USD, you could see a lot of consolidation around this area. It hasn't broken this level here, so this is, I would say, could be a supply level. So literally I would wait for this level up here to be broken. Once it's broken, then that will be a level to buy in at. So once we get a clear break of this level, as you could see, look, every time, see that? It tried to break that level, it didn't, and it came straight back down. Now it's going to try to break it again. So once we get a clear break of this level here, then this is the area to buy in at 51, around this level here. So that's for Altcoin. So yeah, it's looking really good. Overall, most of the altcoins are very bullish. Even if you stuck something on all of them, believe me, you'll be in more profit than negative. So what other coins have we got here? KSM, BTC. Look at that. Amazing. See, we had this level that we bought in. If you bought in, that would have been really good. You'd have been in profit. And then it tested the 0 level. You see these key levels? And then it went straight up. See? You would have been in serious profit again. So yeah, please comment. Please, you know what I mean, say what you think, and you know, how happy you guys are. Those of you that literally went in, or those of you that never went in, just tell me what's holding you back, because believe me, these coins are literally going to the moon. This is definitely altcoin season, as you could see here. So 1 second, we are, looks like we're going to come back down, and we're going to come back down to touch this level. And once we touch this level, then we may come back up. I'm just going to pause for a minute. I'm just going to look at something else. 1 second. So yeah, yeah, it's looking good, looking really good. As I say again, we had that move here at the 61, and then we just exploded to the upside. So that's the first impulse, and then we had a retrace back down to the 0 mark, and then we had another impulse. So most likely, we may not touch this area again. Most likely is to wait for the next reversal down, So once we get a reversal down, then that will be a next entry. So we're looking probably somewhere around this area here. So if I get my Fibonacci, so we're looking, that was the next impulse. So if we're holding around this level, then most likely we could have around this area to be touched, around that level here. So let's wait and see. I wouldn't literally buy where it is right now. That wouldn't be wise. I'll wait for the next impulse down, because as you see, we have impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So this is a correction, yeah? This is an impulse, and we're waiting for another correction. So if I just mark that on here for you guys, correction to wait, then impulse to buy. So we wait for another correction. So we saw that move here. So if we get a pullback from around this area, then I'm looking this area here to be touched. So I'm looking to test that area here that it broke. Yeah, so this area here, boom, straight up. I'm looking, yeah, it's going to be around this area here before heading up to the next high. So that's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So let's wait for that correction to happen, and then we buy on impulse. So once we get a touch here, then we buy from here. That's the way you trade. So this has already happened. So we just got to wait for this move to occur. So once we get some red candles, which we should get red candles coming down, that will be a sign that we're getting the next correction down. So yeah, we're looking very bullish. Look, it's been going up all the way since. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, sky's the limit. So guys, if you like my channel, if you like what you see, if you like the trading, just hit me up, and yeah, I'll give you more as time goes along. So I'm gonna stop there, and then yeah, I'm just gonna keep a watch of this week to see what the coins are doing. As it looks, they're all looking very bullish, so we just got to wait for these pullbacks to happen, these reversals to happen, to buy in that again. But yeah, never buy on a high. This is a high. This is a high that's made, and this looks like it's going to make this high here. It could go up further before come back down, or it could stay there and come back down. So I'm going to mark high here, and then we're waiting for next high to be made here, and then this is a lower high here. That was a lower high that was made, because that lower high was actually lower than these, higher than these. So that's a higher high. Yeah, these are lower highs. Yeah. Lower high, higher high, lower high. Sorry, getting it mixed up. So it's just climbing. That's all we're getting. We're just getting this. As you could see, it's just climbing and climbing. So we're waiting for this area here to be touched. So let's see what happens. Amazing. So guys, if you like my channel, hit me up, because we're looking really good. Really good. As we could see, Dogecoin, if we go through the coins. So Dogecoin, we could see potentially we could get a reversal coming in at some point. It may not continue to go up. We may get a reversal down. So it never really happened here. So we may start to weaken around this area here and probably touch this area. So if we do get that, then this would be another area here to buy in at here. Yeah, so we had a strong impulse move up here. we go into the weekly, yeah, we could get a reversal back down to here before continuing up. So I wouldn't buy from here if I was you. I'd wait for this area to be touched. So that could be the high that it's making right now. And then we just got to wait for this area here to be touched. So I've got a feeling that we may come back down here before continuing going up. So this would be another good area to buy in at. Yeah, so we've had that impulse, wait for that move to come back down, and to the buy straight up from here. Yeah. So that's for Dogecoin. And then AUD USD, which is Adana USD. We've had an impulse from here. So most likely we may see a move coming back down here before going up to that level. So let's keep our eyes on here and see if we do get that, then this would be another nice entry to come in at here, because we've broken this level here, which it tried to break in the past, and it's actually broken it here, as you could see that level here, it's broken it. So we could have a move back down here. Yeah, so that would be another. So this would be probably the first high that it's making, and then we've got to get a lower high around this level here to come back in to help it to take off again. So guys, I hope you've taken note, because we don't want to miss the next moves. And as I said before here, we're waiting for this area to break. So we may get a break, a test of this area here. So it's going to most likely break strongly to the upside and then to test this area. So this would be another area to buy in at for ALG USD, yeah? So let's watch that and see what happens with that level here. And then we got .USD. We're waiting for that break to happen to buy in at here. That hasn't happened yet. And BTC, as I said, that's looking for a fall. So I'm not interested myself, to be honest, in BTC. Again, XRP USD, as you could see here, as we're watching, we're getting some bullish tendencies. So if you guys haven't bought in, then the $2 mark, this area here will be a very good area to buy in for XRP USD. All right, but I'm going to leave it from here. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next video to see if we've had any significant moves during this week. If not, don't worry guys, just hold on, because it's going to come. It is coming. As you could see, there's a lot of signs in the market that the altcoins are doing a lot really good. You're getting a lot of bullish moves. However, Bitcoin I'm looking for Bitcoin to fall. Yeah, people are saying, okay, if Bitcoin falls, ain't it going to drag XRP USD? No, not necessarily, because as I said, when you look at Bitcoin, it's had its big moves already, but it's altcoin season already. And if you look at XRP BTC, XRP overall, then Bitcoin is actually bullish, as you could see here. So this is my next indicator that I look at. So we're looking for XRP to actually go up and BTC to go down, and that's the way it's looking. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this show. Please comment, please like, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.